Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat. A close encounter with the stunning red-winged blackbird. Known for its striking red and yellow shoulder patches, the red-winged blackbird is one of the most easily recognizable birds in North America. These vibrant patches are a symbol of territorial dominance, especially during the breeding season when males use them to ward off rivals and attract mates. Listen to its powerful call. A sharp, musical sound that resonates across marshes and wetlands. This call is not just beautiful, but also serves as a warning to other males to stay away. The red-winged blackbird thrives in wetland habitats, where it plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, controlling insect populations and dispersing seeds. Watch as it takes flight, displaying those brilliant red wings. A true spectacle of nature's artistry. Thank you for joining us on this journey with the red-winged blackbird. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more up-close encounters with nature's wonders.